Are you grappling with cash flow management in your company? Well, you're not alone. Picture this. A Manchester-based manufacturing company with a turnover of £20 million annually recently found themselves in a similar predicament. Their trade receivables had soared to an alarming £1.5 million, with many customers paying more than 90 days late. Their inventory, an excessive £3 million, tying up a significant amount of working capital in stock. To regain control, the finance team implemented a 13-week rolling cash flow forecast. They calculated average debtor and creditor days from historical records to project incoming and outgoing cash flows based on sales forecasts. This forecast revealed an impending cash shortfall of £800,000 due to trade payables coming due shortly. Not one to back down from a challenge, the team negotiated with their largest customers to bring debtor days down from over 90 to a maximum of 45 days. They also introduced better inventory management practices, like just-in-time ordering to reduce excessive stock levels and avoid tying up cash unnecessarily. On the payables side, the operations team extended payment runs by a couple of weeks while preserving good supplier relationships. The company also secured a £1.5 million revolving credit facility with their bank to cover any temporary cash needs. With cash flow forecasting and working capital optimization measures in place, the company could now closely monitor key metrics like cash conversion cycles and cash buffer levels weekly to prevent future cash crunches. So what's the takeaway from this company's journey? Cash flow management is essential, and forecasting is your best friend. Reviewing payment terms can help hasten receivables, while optimizing inventory can free up significant cash. Exploring financing options can provide a safety net during temporary cash shortfalls. Remember, with the right tools and strategies, you too can improve your cash flow management and ensure your business's financial health.